Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can pay by cash on Uber Eats. If you are on Uber Eats and this is the home page, which looks like wherever you are in the destination of US or Canada. So I'm just showing it to you. I would like to order some chicken kind of stuff. For example, I'm just ordering from Subway, so it is very nearby to my place. Just going through Subway 254 Merrimack Street, and I'm ordering some of the items from this Subway. So just I'd be taking the sweet onion chicken teriyaki floating pro, which is costing me 14.99 USD. Just I have added this to my cart. I'm going to the cart. After going to cart, just get into view cart. Will show you whatever you have already placed in your cart. I just placed this sweet onion chicken as a part of this order. I'm going to go to checkout here. We're going to go to checkout. It will ask you if you want to add up some more things before completion of your order. You can add it, or otherwise you can simply say no thanks. Then it will ask your address here. As I already mentioned my address here. If you want to give some instructions to the delivery executive, you can give that here, and the delivery time will be shown here as 30 to 40 minutes for my order. If you want prioritized delivery, you can check this one, which will be just available in 25 to 35 minutes time. But I don't want I'm not in an urgency, so I'm just going ahead with the standard delivery, which is of 30 to 40 minutes. Obviously there is no much difference between prioritized delivery and standard delivery, right? So going ahead with the delivery, so if you observe for the 14.99 USD, there are taxes added up, delivery fee added up, finally it's 19.7 USD which I have to pay. And before placing order with this, I have to add my payment method. Just click here and you will be having several options here. Uber Cash you can pay, add payment method, add voucher code. Go to add payment. Then in the add payment there will be several options: Venmo, credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and this is the one everyone asking how to pay by cash. They're not able to get this in their location. Please go through this. This is the option. Just click it. After clicking it, it will ask you to go to next. Yes. Now it's selected the cash as the delivery option. Payment option. Now see, understand this cash is the payment option here, and go to place order. Just click on this one and your order will be placed. You'll be able to pay cash when the Uber Eats delivery executive reaches your place. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.